Volume is the amount of space inside an object or a container. So area is two-dimensional. Here we have a square. It's flat, and it has a length and a width, and the area is this flat space, this amount inside this flatness. But volume is three-dimensional. So it has length and width and height. So basically, the volume of an object is the area times the height, assuming, as in this cube, that the sides are parallel. Here's another example. A cube has 6 equal surfaces, and the length, the width, and the height are all the same. When I say it has 6 equal surfaces, that means that all 4 sides and the top and the bottom are going to be exactly the same, and they all meet at right angles. Now on this cube, you can see that the blue top is 3 squares long by 3 squares wide. So here's an example of volume. We have a cube, and a cube has 6 equal surfaces. That is, the length and the width and the height are all going to be the same. And when I say that the surfaces are equal, what I mean is that each of these 4 sides and the top and the bottom are going to be identical, and they all meet at right angles. Now on this cube, we can see that the area of the blue top is 3 squares long by 3 squares wide, and we can see that there are, in fact, 9 blue squares that make up the area of the top. But volume is three-dimensional, and we can see that each of the units that make up the area is itself a cube, and in fact, the figure is 3 cubes high. So the formula for volume of a rectangular solid is that the volume is equal to the length times the width times the height. And in this case, it's a square, and the length, width, and height are the same, so for a cube, we could also say that the volume is equal to a side cubed. So the volume then is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, and when we work it out, we'll find that the volume is equal to 81 units, we don't know what these units are, cubed. And please note the volume is always measured in cubes, so that could be feet cubed, or inches cubed, or centimeters cubed, or meters cubed, or whatever. Here's another example. Say we have this rectangular fish tank, and it's 22 inches long by 12 inches wide by 10 inches high. And we want to know how much water it will hold, so we need to find the volume. Now, to find the volume of a rectangle, we know that the volume is equal to the length times the width times the height. So the volume is equal to 22 times 12 times 10. And when we work it all out, we'll find that the volume is equal to 2,640 inches cubed. Now here are the steps to find the volume of any figure. First, draw the figure and label the sides. Second, write the formula. And one of the things you're going to have to do is determine which formula. So far we've looked at the formulas for the volume of a rectangle and volume of a cube, but there could be other formulas as well. Third, you're going to substitute the values and solve.